Hi guys, welcome to another interesting tutorial. I'm Yinky and today I'll be showing you how to make a custom made bra cups. You can make your own bra cup yourself. The reason why this is very essential is that you're going to use the distance between your breast point and your underbust measurement, and it will be your exact size. So I really did this and I made another one that is a push-up bra cup. So this is the push-up bra cup I'm trying to couple together here. So this is like a push-up. If you don't want a push-up effect, you can just leave it as a normal bra cup. So these are the materials that I use in this tutorial. I use the laminate foam, and this is how the laminate foam is. This color is mostly found in Nigeria. This ash color and white at the back, but it's in varying colors. And I have bra foam. I have a foam. This foam is the one that the carpenters use. It's just like an half inch, and you can also use wadding. This wadding, I did not use wadding in this tutorial, but this is a kind of wool interfacing that we use to pad the bust area. So you can also use wadding if you don't have a laminate foam. So this is the one that I have made. You can see how beautiful it is and how perfect it is. So I use B6000. This is a kind of fabric gum, and that is what I use to glue the part that I use push-up bra cup to do. So here the measurement you are going to take is just draw a straight line at the middle of your paper. Make sure you have like 10 inches. The length is like 10 inches long. This is your vertical line. So here at the middle I have 5 inches to the downside, and cross the line just like you are making a plus sign. Cross the line 5 inches on both sides. So you can make it more than that, but I don't think it should be more than 5. There's nobody that the underbust is almost 6 inches. So if your underbust is 6 inches different from the breast point, because the subtraction that I did here is the breast point minus, I subtract the breast point from the underbust, and I got 3.5. So 3.5 is what you are going to use for your radius, and that is what I'm taking right away. So 3.5 is what I use for my own radius, because that is the distance between my breast point and my underbust. So for some people it may be 2.5, for some it may be 3, for some it may be 4. So whatever you have is what you are going to use to take your radius, and that is the measurement I'm taking round after making the plus sign. So I'm trying to create the circumference of the cup. That's what I'm trying to create on both sides at the down part. So this represents the underbust, and here you're going to take 1 inch. You take 1 inch here, and you take 1 inch up here also. So after taking the 1 inch, whatever I do here, I will repeat on the other side too. So I'm going to represent, I'll draw this with a straight line. The vertical line will just be like a straight line, 2 inches altogether. So I'll go to the other side also and measure take that same measurement. So I'll take 1 inch here and 1 inch up. So I have 2 inches on both sides, and that is where I'll be taking my dart. So here I will take 1 inch, the 1 inch that I measured, I'll just connect it to the center point. So the center, I'll connect it to the center like so, and to the other side also I'll take the 1 inch dart intake also, connect it to the center, and here on the upper part I'll take 1 inch also. I'll take the 1 inch also and connect like so. So it's as simple as that. So here I'm trying to create my cup. Here. So here on the upper part I will take 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. I just take 2.5 inches there. Then I'll take a straight line on that 2.5 inches. I'll take a straight line there. So after taking this straight line, what I took here is like the neck line, how deep I want the neck line of my dress, whatever dress I want to put, what depth I want it to be. If you want it to be revealing, you can make it 2 inches. If you want it to reveal the bust, you can make it 2 inches, but 2.5 is fine. So I'll just draw the lines up like so, and I'll shade the dart intake. So you can see that intake of 2 inches on one side and 1 inch on the other side, that's what I just made. So I'm going to label the side that is for the side and the one that is for the center front. I will label it. So the center front has 2 inches that, and the side has only 1 inch that. So this is this line is representing the neckline. So I'll just cut like so. I'm almost done. So the cup has been created here. The next thing is to go ahead and remove all the darts. So I'll be removing the dart carefully here. So I still label the panels of the cup so that there won't be a mix-up. So I have removed the dart, and this is what I have. So that there won't be a mix-up, that's why I label it. So here I will now be using the panels to cut the laminate foam. So this laminate foam, in some countries you can get it in black color, you can get it in nude color, you can get it in several colors, but the one that is most common in Nigeria is this that I'm using, the ash color and the white on the other side. So I'll just go ahead. So that this is the part I told you that if you don't have a laminate foam, you can use a wording. That white interfacing that I showed you, you can use it. But if it's not, you can use the thickest one. You can use the thickest one to be able to achieve the cup size that you really need. So the CF means the center front and SD means the side, so that I will know the one that goes with the center front when I'm fixing it on my corset. So the essence of doing this is that if you want to make a corset dress, you don't need to buy a cup. You can create your own cup yourself. So the cup will now be your perfect fit, because it is you use your measurement, you use the distance between your breast point and your under bust. So this is the stitch that I'm going to use. I've run it on a plain pieces, and I'll now run it here now. So I'll set my stitch to the zigzag stitch, and I'll run it carefully. And when you are bringing this together, you must take note of the side. The one that goes with the center front must be together with the center front, and the side with the side. So after I have done that, I will reverse my stitch when I get to this part, and your cup has been it is very, very simple to create a cup. Your cup has been created. So after I have created this cup, I noticed that it's still fine, but for somebody that is busty, if you want it to be able to accommodate the breast very well, you can hold it that, and so that it will look more accommodating. It will be able to accommodate the bust. So I will hold the dart of half of an inch. You just fold into two. There's no two way about that. Just fold into two and run a dart. The dart must not get to the midpoint. That I mean the line, the joining line. The dart must not get there. It will just remain like maybe half of an inch before it gets there, or 1 inch. It's fine. So I'll just stop here. I will not get to the midpoint. So then you can see that the shape will now come out fine. You can see there is a difference between the first one, without that, and with that. I think with that is more accommodating and more better. The shape is more better. So this is the second one. I've created the second one. I use the same method to create the second cup. So this is the push-up bra cup, the one I have at home. So I want to create something like this on my customized cup. So I'll be trimming this out like so. The pieces that I'm going to put on this part, this is how it's going to be. Like 1 inch width is okay. Just put it on the lower part. There's nothing special about that. You can just be creative about that too. And I will use it to cut my foam and place it on the downside, just to create the push-up effect. And after I've done that, then I'll trim off this dart, because so that the foam will be able to lay properly. So I'll place the foam first. This foam is half of an inch thickness. I'll place the foam first before I now place my laminate foam. So I'll put gum like so. So this gum has been in, I've gotten this gum for like a year now. So you can see it has changed color, but it's perfect for this work because it will stick easily. So it sticks easily. It's not like a new gum. If it's a new gum, I will need to wait for hair to get in, and but this I don't even need to wait, because it's been in the house since. So I'll just spread it. Then after spreading it, I'll place my laminate foam. So your push-up effect has been created, and you can trim to what you need. When it's dry also, you can trim off any part that you need to trim off, and our push-up bra cup is ready. So I have done the two sides, I've done the two cups, and this is what we have. If you don't want to do a push-up, if you want to cage it, you can still run bones on this cup to make it a caged cup. So you can still run bones on it. So this is the result of the cup that I've created. You can see how beautiful it is, and I place it on my bust, and you can see what we have. Very, very beautiful. And so we've come to the end of this tutorial. If you have any comments or any suggestion, you can leave it in the comment section. I'm going to reply you as soon as I see it. So I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.